Hello, my name is Dean LeBlanc, founder at Harvest Kernel, and this is the Daily Seed, a new YouTube channel that's part of the broader Harvest Kernel ecosystem. The idea here is very simple. Every day I plant one idea, one seed about AI, learning, and modern work. Not long lectures, not tool demonstrations, just one focused insight meant to grow over time. Today's seed comes from a longer article I just published at harvestkernel.com. And it was sparked by something that really caught my attention. This week, Caterpillar announced they're putting conversational AI into their excavators. Operators can get real-time guidance, technicians can access manuals by voice, fleet managers can predict maintenance issues. And if your first thought was, that has nothing to do with me, that's actually the point of this daily brief. When AI reaches the excavator, it has reached everything. Now, let's cover a few core ideas that I talk about in the article. Core idea number one, the manual work myth. Now, for years, we've carried a quiet, or maybe not so quiet, assumption that some jobs are thinking jobs and maybe others are more doing jobs. And we told ourselves that the doing jobs, the skilled trades, operators, technicians, were mostly AI proof. Now, with this new technology, that assumption just collapsed. This isn't AI replacing the operator, it's AI augmenting this decision making at the point of work. It's intelligence that's embodied or really embedded directly in how work gets done. Let's talk about core idea number two. Literacy beats expertise. Now, what does this really expose? This really exposes something much bigger. The difference between AI expertise and AI literacy. You don't need to be an AI engineer to benefit from these tools, but you do need literacy. And I define literacy as knowing what AI can do, what it can't do, when to trust it, and maybe when to override it at times. And that truly applies to many different disciplines, including teachers, entrepreneurs, parents, students, everyone involved. Literacy can be built quickly from the right framework, and expertise does take years to develop. Let's talk about core idea number three. AI shows up where work happens. This is a big one. Another lesson here is where AI actually works best. The Cat AI assistant doesn't ask operators to stop their combine, open a laptop, and log into a system. It meets them where they're at, where they are, inside the cab, during the work. That same principle applies everywhere. AI works when it's integrated into real workflows, not as added extra work. So here's today's seed. AI isn't industry specific anymore. It's really about infrastructure. And when intelligence becomes environmental, meaning that it's everywhere, persistent, the literacy component becomes a baseline skill and not so much a specialty. Now, if this idea resonates with you, I encourage you to read the full article at harvestkernel.com. I go much deeper into the data, the workforce implications, and what this means for educators, entrepreneurs, parents, students, and lifelong learners. The Daily Seed is about planting the idea. Harvest Kernel is where we're going to cultivate it. So that's today's seed. See you soon.